Have you ever wondered if automation is harming your customer connections? In a world driven by technology, maintaining genuine relationships is crucial. Today, we're exploring how to balance automation with personal touches using AI. First, let's define the challenge. Many businesses automate every interaction. This can lead to robotic customer experiences. When customers feel like just another number, they disengage. Here's where AI comes in. It can help create personalized interactions. You can automate tasks while still adding a human touch. Let's break this down into steps. Step 1. Know your audience. Use AI to analyze customer data. Understand their preferences, behaviors, and pain points. This knowledge is the basis of strong relationships. Step 2. Implement targeted communication. Use AI to segment your audience. Send tailored messages that resonate with individual customers. When communication feels personal, it builds trust. Step 3. Use AI chatbots wisely. They can handle inquiries efficiently, but shouldn't be the only contact. Make sure to integrate options for human interaction. This gives customers a sense of importance. Step 4. Gather feedback effectively. Use AI tools to collect customer opinions. Analyze this data to improve interactions. When customers see their feedback valued, they feel connected. Let's consider an example. Imagine a clothing retailer using AI. They analyze past purchases and send personalized recommendations. Customers receive tailored suggestions based on their style. They feel understood and appreciated. In summary, don't let automation overshadow relationships. Use AI to understand your customers better. Create personalized communication, offer human support, and listen actively. Take a moment and evaluate your approach. Are you over-automating? Reassess how you connect with customers. Build relationships that matter with the help of AI. Now, it's time to take action. Review your current automation practices. Decide where to incorporate personal touches using AI. Your customers will thank you for it.